Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard. This is 2 Minutes Tech and you are looking at TAGG PowerBass 400 Bluetooth headphones. So let's get started with unboxing and the review. In the box you get this manual, micro USB cable, aux cable and these Bluetooth headphones. This is available on Amazon India for under Rs 2700, and if you want to buy one, link will be given in the description below of this video. Now coming to the build quality of these headphones, then it is made up of very strong durable material. And I am in love with the build quality and also the black look of these headphones. Overall quality is great, and just look at these ear cups. These gives a great noise cancellation experience to your ears. These headphones comes with the power and volume control buttons. It is also connected via aux cable. These headphones are adjustable. Moving on to the performance, then these headphones comes with the Bluetooth 4.1 and 400 mAh battery. And I got charging time of just 1 hour and 20 minutes from dead battery to full. After this I was able to get the battery backup of 10 hours to huge 11 hours, and I think it's great. These are light and adjust very nicely on the head and also the ears. The biggest plus point to these headphones is the audio quality. The bass is as expected high and everything else is audible, and it's just clearly nice experience via these headphones. Now moving on to the things that I don't like is the built-in microphone. In simple words, every time while calling I have to speak very much loudly. So I didn't like the microphone that is built in. So finally I just want to say that the audio experience and the build quality is just great, and it is one of my best buy product. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, meet you in the next one.